And our presentation is on basophils. Basophils are one of three types of granulocytes, which are white blood cells. And basophils have larger granules that help differentiate when staining, and they also have oddly shaped nucleuses. Basophils circulate in the blood, and they have two functions. Their main function is recruiting eosinophils to the sites of infection, which activate the immune response. And their second function is causing allergic reactions. And if the body is making antibodies to non-pathogens and then bind to the allergen, the basophil will come in and release its contents, also known as histamines, causing inflammation. And this is concerning because since the basophils circulate in the blood, this can cause anaphylaxis.
Okay, so oh my gosh, not my screen going out. Okay, so your immune system is like a defense team with different kinds of cells that play specific roles in fighting off infections and other threats. Basophils are a type of immune cells that has a role in your body's defense system, especially in dealing with parasites and allergic reactions. Um, I said that they're a bit like secret agents. They don't attack directly, but release signals such as chemical substance to alert the rest of the immune system when there's a threat, such as a parasite. They contain small packets of these chemical signals, and when they get triggered, they release them to help create an immune response. This is part of what can cause inflammation, which helps isolate and fight the invader. And an example of this would be your seasonal allergies, because when you breathe in pollen, basophils sense it as a threat and release histamine, which causes typical allergic reactions to occur, such as runny nose, sneezing, and itchy eyes.
On the same lines of what Angelina was saying, just imagine basophils as tiny little alarm cells in your body. Their job is to help with the immune system, which is your body's defense system, and they respond when something harmful shows up, kind of like the pollen causing an allergic reaction. When these cells sense a threat, they release chemicals that act like an alarm, calling other immune cells in the area to help out. One of these chemicals is called histamine, and it's responsible for making things swell up or get red and itchy. You've probably felt this when you have an allergic reaction, like sneezing, a runny nose, or hives. So, basophils are your body's way of sounding the alarm to get help when something is wrong, especially in allergic reactions.
All right, and that is it for our video.